Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm with our 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 Touring. Today I'm going to install this Honda Civic Type R engine valve cover. If you're interested in finding out how to replace your engine valve cover with a Honda Civic Type R engine valve cover, specifically the 2.0, I don't know if this will work on the 1.5 liter, then stay tuned. Before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, like, and share. This is a genuine Honda OEM engine valve cover, and I got it from hondaparts.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. I've gotten a lot of my parts, Honda OEM parts, from them in the past. They're based out of Rhode Island. So for me, when I ordered this, the next day it shipped, and the day after that, so 2 days, I received it UPS. Not a surprise given how close I am to them. Between hondaparts.com and College Hills Honda, I have found that the two of them have the best pricing, and this specific engine valve cover cost $84 plus shipping. I thought it was a very good deal. You do need some extra bolts, and I'll show that as we install this, but I do know that this is for sale out there for much more, and if you're interested, then take a look at the link below, and this is something you can easily install yourself. So let's jump into it. So the first step is to remove the existing cover, and that is more or less compression fitted. I believe it's 4 tabs. Pull firmly up on it and it should release. So as you can see here, not all of this is going to line up. It is obviously from a different car. This will recess in here. What we need to do though is remove this plastic piece right here. So there you have it. I think it looks pretty good. It was a 5-10 minute install at most. Pretty straightforward. I think it adds a lot to the engine bay. I love the red accent with the faux carbon fiber. I would highly recommend it. You know, if you're buying the eBay non-Honda OEM version, I can't comment, although I've heard that You may have to trim certain pieces of it if it's rubbing. As far as the Honda Civic Type R, this OEM piece, there's no interference at all around the engine. The closest that it comes to it is this hose right here, but it is resting upon the bracket. So, I'll keep an eye on it, but I don't think I'm gonna have any issues. But I'm really happy with the install. And like I said, I put a link in the description below to where you can get this. I spent $84 plus shipping for this. And then I also had to buy the 4 bolts, and really I think that was all of $1 something, $1.30. So let's call it $85, $86 for the install. And I'm really pleased with it. I like how it looks, and hopefully you do too. If you have one, let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So until next time.